In today's video, I'm going to teach you a straightforward and up-to-date guide on how to raise your hand in Zoom, whether you're a participant or a host. This is especially handy for virtual classrooms, business meetings, or engaging webinars. So, let's dive in and ensure you're prepared to navigate Zoom efficiently. First, let's cover how you can raise your hand if you're using a desktop or web version of Zoom across Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once you're in a Zoom meeting, direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Reactions. Go ahead and click on that. You're met with several options, but for today, we're interested in the raise hand icon, which is conveniently represented by a hand emoji. Click on this, and voila! Your raised hand is now visible next to your name in the Participants panel. This action also nudges the host with an alert that you have a question or comment. When it comes time to lower your hand, don't worry, it's just as easy. Head back to the Reactions menu and you'll now see an option to lower hand. Just click it and your hand is lowered, clearing up any confusion in the meeting. For those who love efficiency, Zoom has added some helpful keyboard shortcuts to quicken the process. On Windows, simply press Alt and Y together. For those using a Mac, it's Option and Y. A little practice, and you'll find these shortcuts become second nature, seamlessly integrating into your Zoom experience. Now, let's switch gears to focus on hosts, a crucial role in any Zoom gathering. As the host or co-host, you have special powers when it comes to managing raised hands. First off, you'll notice those raised hands right in your participants panel. It's all conveniently located so you can address participants in the order their hands were raised, promoting a smooth and interactive session. But what if someone forgets to lower their hand? No problem. As the host, you can lower hands on behalf of attendees, ensuring the session stays organized without leaving anyone hanging, literally. In webinars, there's a little twist. Only the host and the panelists can see when hands are raised. Attendees won't see this option or participant activity. This exclusivity allows for streamlined communication between the key players in a webinar. Lastly, an added tip for hosts. You have the ability to highlight participants. By spotlighting them on screen, you can draw attention to specific people during discussions, keeping the focus right where it needs to be. So there you have it. Hopefully, this guide makes your Zoom interactions smoother and more efficient, whether you're just chiming in or steering the whole meeting. Enjoy exploring these features and enhance your virtual communication skills. Thanks for watching, and dive into your next Zoom meeting with confidence.